Have you ever noticed this small puzzle piece up in the top right-hand corner of your Chromebook? Well, this is a Chromebook extension called Read and Write, and we're going to go through how you can use it. Google Read and Write is designed to help make print material more accessible to you. So we're going to go over a couple features of this tool. The first one right here we see is it's called Hover Speech, and this works while you are on a website. You can select Hover Speech, and then you can take your cursor over some specific text, and it'll read it aloud to you. When you're ready to move on and have it read something else, you can hover with your cursor and it'll start reading that. When you're ready to turn off Hover Speech, you take your mouse up to the top and you turn off Hover Speech. You also notice there's a couple other buttons. This is the play button right here. So if I was to highlight some specific text and hit play, it would read it aloud to me. If you need to pause at any time, you can hit pause, or if you need to stop, you can hit stop. This tool also works inside of a Google document. So let's go inside this Google document that I have that has been shared by my teacher. And I can see that Read and Write is already up above where my Google Doc is. Sometimes it might show up like this if it's been minimized. So all you have to do is click on it and it'll open back up. And if it's not showing on your screen at all, you can go up in the top right-hand corner under your extensions and click on Read and Write. So again, if I take my cursor and I place on some text that I want it to read aloud for me, and then I hit play, it'll read this aloud. I can go through each of these and I'll be able to see the specific directions. I can hit pause whenever I need to pause. If I'm ready to stop, completely use stop. And let's talk about how it works with a PDF. You're going to click open with, let's go back. So we have our PDF here. We're going to open it. Open with, and you go to Read and Write for Google Chrome. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. And then it opens up the document for you. Now the menu bar may look a little bit different, but it's still the same thing. You hit play when you want it to read over specific text. You hit stop when you want it to stop. If you want to open and see the specific pages inside of your PDF, you can do this and you can see the specific pages. You can see it saw my highlighted text and it read it aloud to me.
The Maya excelled at astronomy.
Google Read and Write is an extension available on all Chromebooks, and it makes text more accessible on websites, in docs, on slides, in forms, and even in PDFs.